Welcome back. Andhra Pradesh CM Kiran Kumar Reddy resigned on Wednesday, protesting against the Telangana bill passed in the Lok Sabha. He has resigned as the MLA of Congress too. While condemning the Telangana move, Reddy said it is a vote bank politics by the national parties. He said this move is to divide the Telugus for the sake of votes and seats.
I am resigning to show my dissatisfaction with the national parties and the way Parliament was conducted yesterday. This decision will lead to a great loss to the people of Andhra Pradesh.
जब अभी स्टेट बाइफरकेट हो रहा है तो उनके सामने वो अपोज करते थे अभी तक, तो उनके सामने दूसरा रास्ता क्या है?
Kiran Kumar Reddy had earlier announced his decision to quit from the post and the Congress in protest against the central government decision. Telangana bill is expected to be introduced in Rajya Sabha with more amendments. The Rajya Sabha Secretary General was manhandled during the ruckus.
In fact, next month there will be UNHRC meeting at Geneva. What stand the government of India is going to take, nobody knows. And we have given calling attention notice. So there are some serious issues. There are some serious issues of importance, and house should be in order, and it is the responsibility of the government to see that house is in order.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The Chief Judicial Magistrate Court has accepted Tarun Tejpal's plea to provide him the CCTV footage obtained from the hotel where the alleged crime of rape happened. Tejpal has not denied the sexual encounter with the victim, but he claims that it happened with the consent of the victim. Tejpal claims that the CCTV footage will reveal the truth.
Ask for the CCTV footage. Ask them for the CCTV footage and everything will be clear.
Tarun Tejpal is hopeful that CCTV footage obtained from the hotel where the alleged crime of rape happened will prove an evidence in his favor. CCTV footage is in possession of the court as court's property. The footage was not provided with the copy of charge sheet to the defense side. Tarun Tejpal in his petition sought the CD copy of CCTV footage, contending that they need to see the footage to defend his case. But the investigating officer opposed his plea, contending that defense side may divulge the identity of the victim to hamper the case. Defense counsel gave an undertaking that they will not share this footage to anyone who is not connected with this case. Accepting Tejpal's plea, the Panji Chief Judicial Magistrate Court ordered to issue him a CD copy. The court has also ordered to provide a similar CD copy to the prosecution. Later, defense advocate claimed that there is nothing in the footage corroborating charges labelled against Tejpal. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that now the matter is before the court and now it's up to Tarun Tejpal to prove his innocence during trial.
Anything now he says, he can make it before the court and the court can give him appropriate relief. The ball is now in the court of the court. It is no more with the government. So if any allegation he makes or his advocate makes, he has to make it in the court and take appropriate relief out of it.
Tejpal is charged of sexually assaulting a lady journalist of his office during Think Fest organized in Grand Hyatt Hotel in Goa in November last year. He was arrested on 30th November. Presently, he is lodged in Sada Sub Jail at Vasco in judicial custody. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Vasco Police has registered FIR against a police constable Prasad Shirodkar for forming unlawful assembly and assaulting one person. Complainant Rajendra Konpatti has complained that Constable Shirodkar, attached with Daboli Airport Police Outpost along with 15 others, assaulted him and threatened him. Police has also named other 15 accused in the FIR, but nobody has been arrested. SP South Goa Shekhar Prabhudesai has said that the accused constable has not been arrested as offences are bailable, but he can be suspended. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.